Healthcare Inspectorate Wales is one of the 4 main inspection bodies in Wales, and we all have an important role to play in ensuring that public services in Wales are of a high standard. HIW's focus is checking people get good healthcare. Recently, all 4 inspection bodies have come together for the first time to look at services which support young people in Wales. Our youth review looked at how well healthcare services are meeting the needs of young people in Wales. We've highlighted the problem young people face when they move from children's to adult healthcare services, and we've looked at how young people are treated in mental health hospitals, general and paediatric hospitals, and in children's hospices. In our report, we tell Welsh Government and all health boards about the things they need to get better at to improve the care that young people receive. You can read the findings on our website at the end of March.